Namaskar and welcome to Bharat This Week, your weekend roundup where India's real stories come first. I'm Laura Anika and here are the top headlines that matter, not just trend. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated massive development projects worth 4,800 crore in Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu. This includes crucial upgrades in airports, highways, ports and power infrastructure. These aren't just numbers. They represent better logistics, faster connectivity and more jobs. With an eye on regional growth, the centre is pushing development beyond metros, and Tamil Nadu is quickly emerging as a southern growth engine. 12 Maratha forts get UNESCO World Heritage tag. India's architectural pride got a global salute. 12 Maratha forts, including Sindhudurg, Rajgarh, Shivneri, have been recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. PM Modi, in his Mann Ki Baat, called this a proud moment for India's heritage, urging citizens to visit these forts and reconnect with their roots. These forts are not just relics of war, they tell the story of Maratha resilience, Shivaji's brilliance, and India's architectural genius. Divya Deshmukh makes history at FIDE Women's World Cup 2025. India's chessboard got a queen. 19-year-old Divya Deshmukh scripted history as she became the first Indian woman to win the FIDE Women's World Cup, defeating veteran Koneru Hampi in a thrilling all-Indian final. The classic game ended in draws, but Divya clinched the title in rapid tiebreakers 1.0, 1.5. With this, India not only celebrates the champion but also proves its dominance in women's chess globally. One Indian won, but India won twice. Plastic banned inside Sri Kashi Vishwanath Temple from August 11th in a major eco-conscious step. The Sri Kashi Vishwanath Temple in Varanasi will go plastic-free from August 11th. The administration is putting up awareness posters, encouraging lakhs of devotees to respect the holy site by ditching single-use plastic. The message is clear. Cleanliness is not optional in sacred places, and this starts with one ban at one temple that sets the tone for others to follow. India's first AI-driven road safety project to launch in UP. India is embracing AI where it matters. The centre has approved a 6-week AI-powered pilot in Uttar Pradesh to tackle the accidents. The system will study accident data, driver behavior, and weather to predict accident-prone zones or black spots. It will help authorities take preventive action in real time. With over 1.5 lakh deaths from road accidents in India every year, this is not just smart governance, it's life-saving tech. India performs record 18,900 organ transplants in 2023. Ranks third globally, India has quietly achieved a medical miracle. In 2023, we performed a record 18,900 organ transplants, making India the third highest in the world, only behind the US and China. Health Minister JP Nadda lauded the 3 lakh plus citizens who pledged to donate their organs, calling them the silent heroes of humanity. On Organ Donation Day, India not only celebrates numbers but a culture of giving where one person's loss becomes another's hope. And that wraps up this edition of Bharat This Week. From historic wins to tech-powered governance and heritage recognitions, India is rewriting its story proudly, loudly and globally. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay sharp. Jai Hind.